Okay, chapter 4, part 1. So we're in the sample company at the beginning of chapter 4, just like every chapter. So you're going to learn about sales and cash receipts. And there's something really, really important that I want to make sure that you get out of this chapter. Everything that you're doing is super, super important, but it's really important to make sure that you learn and understand the difference between a sales receipt and an invoice. So the book is going to teach you that, and it's going to teach you how to record both of those. And then at the end of the chapter, I'm also going to have you answer some questions where we're going to make sure that you understand the difference between the two and the difference between how you're going to record both of them. So the whole focus of chapter 2 is we're going to sell stuff. So we added those products in chapter 3. In chapter 4, we're going to sell stuff, and we're going to record invoices, and we're going to record sales receipts. So what I want you to do for chapter 4, part 1, again, you're going to read absolutely everything in chapter 4. You're going to do everything that it asks you to. And then when you get to sorry, there's not page numbers when I'm working in the ebook here, so I have to go through and get it to match, because I like to have the book in front of me, but I also wanted to use this because then I can be able to reference things in the book. It's a lot easier than just saying, hey, on that one page that you can't see. Okie dokie. So when you get all the way to this point, so you've recorded everything, taken some notes, learned everything, this transaction detail by account that is on page 70 and 71, this is the transaction detail by account that I want you to turn in. So for chapter 4, part 1, I want you to turn in this report, and I'm going to make sure that your numbers here match, for example. So this is going to give you some instructions to go through and find this on your report and make sure that it's correct. So don't print it, export it, save it on your computer. You're going to turn in this for chapter 4, part 1. And then the other thing that I want you to turn in for chapter 4, part 1 is I want you to answer these questions. These are super important questions that I want to make sure that you know how to answer and that you understand the difference between, for example, a product and a service, a sales receipt and a sales invoice. So transaction detail by account, that's on page 70/71, and then also these chapter 4 questions. And that's it.